what's up guys? Welcome back to Dreamin' Diesel. Just is gonna be a quick little video here. That's my buddy's 04 F250 6.0, pretty much stock. We're gonna be putting a 4-inch MBRP straight pipe on it today. We're gonna get a little before and after here. This would be stock exhaust. Go ahead and start it up, Kyle. I'll give it a couple revs or something. Mix it up a bit. Pretty much bone stock for the most part. Too quiet. Alright, there's stock. We are running what, the SCT Street Tune? Yeah. Yeah, Street Tune. Yeah, that's about it. Yeah, but yeah, way too quiet. So it'll be much louder. Alright, now we're gonna get that 4-inch straight pipe put on and we'll see how it sounds. Alright, we got all the exhaust out. We took a Sawzall to it. Cut it up in a few different pieces. Comes right out pretty much. Nice new MBRP 4-inch. Gonna look real good, sound good. Alright, we just got this nice 4-inch MBRP put in. Let's see how it sounds. Much better. Much better. Took it for a drive already too. Sounds pretty good. There you go. There's a little comparison between stock and a 4-inch straight pipe.
Força no